This piece of code can tell you the winner of the next football match.
All right. Winner. So it's about time we get into this. And note that the aim is to predict the winner of the football match. Let's get straight into development. Okay, so I've just implemented two inputs. The first one will take the first team, and the second one will take the name of the second team. So when I type in something here and move on to type something over here and print and click predict, it will just show results. As at now, result is not defined yet, so it will just show the name result. So let me code the result, the algorithm for it, and I'll be right back.
Everybody get your own blessing. I touch my nasu will be so why you the hit man? By the time I'm ready so better when I be do I'm on my temal and the baseline. If you say me you may hint me chinko so ya home I go to in the daytime. If it's a
Alright, here goes nothing. I'm done set with it, the algorithm and everything is supposed to work. Verifying in case it doesn't work. It should work. Yeah. So I make 44 lines of code here and some 11 and 10. Let's try this out. Here goes nothing. Let me write maybe Ghana. Yeah, Ghana because I'm from Ghana, and Ghana versus some country like Spain. And let's hit predict and see. Spain will win! Spain will win! Oh my god, it's working! Wow. Okay. Can see Spain will win. It's working. And I think this time we started up. But let's try another one. Let's change Ghana to maybe Argentina. I can't spell Argentina, so let's take Iraq. Yep. And let's hit predict, and Iraq will win. Oh no. So I think it's about time we do some styling. Let's make this piece of code awesome. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want me to take this to the next level or you want to see the styling of this piece of code. Don't forget to share to your friends as well. Peace out. Predict the winner before the match starts. Thank you.